We created the category in India. I mean, in 1969, nobody could think that water could be bottled and sold. That's what we did. There is no alternative to the PET bottle that we are using. This is something which is very much a burning topic. As brand, we never believe in sort of sensitizing and talking about our initiatives in large-scale platforms. That's how you do not know.
Welcome to the Federal. So we are here today with the Director of Marketing and Business Development of Bisleri, Anjana Ghosh. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, so how did you manage to make Bisleri a household brand name when you say water? Bisleri is the one most trusted packaged drinking water. How did you make that happen?
Well, what we have been doing, see, we are a 50-year-old brand now. What we have been doing is only taking care of the consumer's need. We created the category in India. I mean, in 1969, nobody could think that water could be bottled and sold. That's what we did, because we also had a vision. I mean, we knew that the entire consumption will reach a stage where people would want to drink water for safety and health, and that's what we have been doing. Even today, our entire concentration is on to engage with the consumer and give them something before they need it. We provide it to them, whether it is the pack sizes or reach. So I think we have in the heart of our business only consumer. So that's what has been driving us through.
Also, ma'am, when the conversation about environmental conservation is really high and this movement of bring your own bottles is happening, how do you look at that affecting the business of Bisleri?
This is something which is very much a burning topic. Number one, there is no alternative to the PET bottle that we are using. Not because the PET itself is a very safe packaging. We feel the nuisance and the environmental concern is more about how it is being disposed rather than the material itself. So material is not the one which is causing the environmental problem. So it is the people habit. So we are running an initiative called Bottles for Change across India, where we are trying to tell people how to dispose plastic. Because if you dispose plastic right, then definitely it all can go for recycling, and that is what plastic is meant for. So that's where our efforts are, and we are moving in that direction to create awareness how to dispose plastic.
So, ma'am, lastly, Chennai recently saw an unprecedented water shortage. Bisleri is somebody known for running these really quirky campaigns and addressing such issues. Did you think of addressing the issue, running a campaign? Why was it not done, especially when Chennai actually faced such an unprecedented water shortage?
See, we did a lot in Chennai. In fact, all the relief camps, etc., we have been donating. But, as brand, we never believe in sort of sensitizing and talking about our initiatives in large-scale platforms. That's how you do not know. But at the ground level, at the root level, we have been doing a lot of work around the water shortage. Even today, there are certain pockets where there are water shortage, where we are also donating, and we are reaching everywhere where potable water is in short. But we don't sort of commercialize our activity, so that's how probably you do not know about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.